When you're out practicing or playing around a golf, you have to ask yourself sometimes, when you don't hit the shot that you wanted to hit, is it me or is it my equipment? Interesting question. And one of the things I have sitting right here is a robot that I designed about 16, 17 years ago for doing putter head testing. Robot works phenomenal. There's actually 4 of them here in the design studio. On this particular robot right here, I've hit thousands and thousands and thousands of shots, done a lot of statistical analysis. Well, one of the things I found out in trying to get data on different types of putters and different specifications of putters is the fact that not all golf balls are created the same. And what I found out early on in the 90s when I tried to use wound balls and get statistical results didn't work. Proved to me right then and there that I would never, ever, ever play a wound ball. Then the 2-piece balls were coming out then. And the 2-piece balls that I would get would now give me statistical significance where I could actually get some very good data, but I could never use a wound ball. But also I would find some of the 2-piece or the new 3-piece balls that really wouldn't work out well. So I started balancing all the golf balls before I first did putter testing. So when I balanced the golf balls and I ended up with balls that were perfectly balanced, I found out that my results in putting just got better and better and very statistically significant, and I could get repeatability with the tests, therefore proving out certain aspects of putters. So what we're going to do here today in this segment, we're going to take a golf ball, and I happen to have a ball right here that it's a 2 or 3-piece ball. It was improperly molded. Somehow the center's not in the right place. The center of gravity, therefore, is off inside the ball. And when the center of gravity is not exactly in the middle of a golf ball, as it rolls, and you have the heavy side to the right or the heavy side to the left, depending on where the center of gravity is off, or you have the center of gravity vertical in it, or wherever you're setting it down, you're going to get a different putt result. We stand right here and have a 24-foot putt. 24-foot putt to the hole, and what I'm going to do, and we're going to start off, and you'll notice that there's a black mark on this golf ball, and this is a pretty bad golf ball for having its center mismolded. And one thing to say is that most expensive top-grade balls are very good because they're x-rayed during manufacture and or checked some other way. A lot of the balls, though, don't go through the x-ray machine on the, say, lesser brands or cheaper brands, but some companies x-ray everything. So it's up to you to kind of find out if the ball is really good or not, and it only takes a second to check them. We're going to do that in a little bit. But first off, I'm going to show you what happens when the center is actually off. So again, I've got a dot on the ball. I'm going to set this dot down vertical. I can put it straight forward or straight back or straight down or straight vertical because I'm going to be in the right plane where I've got the heavy side of the ball in the plane so that this ball should putt normal. So heavy sides down. I'm going to start off and put this dot up. So I set it right in the middle of the putter face, and we come up here with our machine and we set it. Steady the head. We hit the putt, and it goes right into the middle of the hole. So what we're going to do is retrieve that ball, and next we're going to put the weight to that side, then we're going to put the weight to this side, and we'll see what the results are. Okay, I'm back. We're going to take the weight now. The dot again is the light side because it's up. This ball was floated, and the bottom's the heavy side. So we're now going to take the heavy side toward the camera, and we're going to set it down right on the middle of the face. Heavy side that direction. We're going to set our robot. Steady the head, release the putter, and the ball misses on the right side of the cup. Okay, and now finally, I'm going to take the dot and aim it toward the camera. That's the light side, so the heavy side's going to be going this way. So we'll see what happens right now. So we'll set the ball down, dot's at the camera, heavy side's toward the wall over here. We set our putter, we'll steady the head, we'll hit the shot. The ball is going down to the hole, 24-foot putt, misses on the left side of the hole. So that ball, with the weight up or anywhere in that plane, goes right in the middle of the hole. I turn the weight to that side and it misses to the right side. I turn the weight to this side and it misses to this side. The golf ball is very important, so let's next show you how to find out if the golf balls that you're playing are properly balanced.